If I were in their skin, I'd treasure every instant out there, living in the sun. Taste the morning out there like ordinary men who freely walk about there just one day.